Hi, this is Matt Yetter with Sherlock Home Inspections. Phone number is 971-212-7481. Website address is yourinspectionneeds.com. Today's date is Thursday, June 21st, 2018. The address we're inspecting today is 2639 Gloria Drive, West Lynn, Oregon, 97068. We are about to perform a video inspection of the property's main sewer line through the backyard exterior cleanout. The equipment being used today is the ViewTech self-leveling HD color video inspection camera. It is one of the best cameras on the market today. Before we begin this video inspection, it's being noted that some aged sewer pipes made out of clay, concrete, cast iron, asbestos, and Orangeburg may be in good working order and may never have had a clogged or sewer backup before. However, due to real estate transactions, attorneys, and lawsuits, Sherlock Home Inspections must recommend the following to meet the current codes. All sewer pipes should be watertight, made out of cast iron ABS, 3034 or HDPE pipe with all appropriate fittings and couplers. All sewer pipes should be free from breaks, offsets, separations, tree roots, bellies, and party sewers. Sherlock Home Inspections recommends replacing any sewer pipe that does not meet these specifications. Here we go. So right from the get-go, we have just entered the cleanout underneath the deck steps, and we're seeing a medium-sized offset, so you can see the bottom edges of the pipe. You can see that it does look like that it is catching, snagging some debris, snagging some waste as it goes cruising by. We are going to attempt to navigate this, and we did make our way up over the top, but really that should be smoothed out. So maybe just a quick spot repair in that area. We were able to jump over the top of it, but you can imagine if the camera had that much trouble getting over the top of it, how much more trouble will toilet paper, debris, waste, etc., have getting over the top of it. Now we are in a 3034 pipe, so we started in a 4-inch ABS. We transitioned to a 4-inch 3034 pipe. Someone is flushing.
Well, I think there's only one bathroom with toilet paper, so they're going to be SOL.
Awesome.
All right, there is 20 feet. We do like the positioning of the sewer pipe. You're pretty much running real strongly downhill, just pretty much off the side of a cliff, which is why even with that offset we're not seeing much problems, because it is just pretty much rolling off the side of a hill. Yeah.
Is this ABS pipe? Or?
This is a 3034 on plastic piping. Very similar to ABS, but it's kind of like the new improved material. The city likes to use this material a lot. There is a bend in the pipe, so there's some shear pressure pushing on top of the pipe in this area. Something, a chunk of concrete or a rock or something. Back up. We do see this from time to time, so something with some weight is pushing in on the pipe. It doesn't appear to have compromised the pipe, but it's squished it down a bit. Take it back one more time.
And that's 43 feet away from the house?
Yeah. Take it back a little bit. Something just went cruising by. All right, one more time.
Something? Was it something like you were thinking? I gotta have lunch soon.
Oh boy.
So you can see as you cruise by that dent in the pipe, it did kind of drag on the top corner of the camera. So it was, it takes, because of the dent, it has taken a portion of the holding power of this pipe. There's another little dent in the bottom of the pipe back. More. So you can see something, they laid the pipe on top of something heavy, and so the weight over time forward.
Yeah.
Pushed it up there.
Is that daylight?
No,
That's what I thought.
that's just glare. Well, there's a lot of LEDs on the camera head, so it shines on spider webs that have a little bit of mist or moisture on there.
That's
Yeah.
Wow, this is a lot.
So you scope it till it gets to the main?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're responsible for all of this length here.
That was a mural. What the world?
Someone flush again?
No, we're just going straight down on the
Down the
ground, so
waterfall.
the
It's like a
water
water
that
slide.
we're running is
I
yeah.
want to be there.
It's like the Pirates of the Caribbean. Alright, we're going to transition to concrete here. You can see there is some roots coming through the pipe there. Back it up. Forward. Yeah, so at this connection, we got a terrible viewpoint of it. Back. Slowly. I don't think we're going to get the shot that we want here. Right there. So at this connection, this is the connection between the plastic 3034 pipe and the concrete pipe. Looks like some roots have found their way in at a weakened area there. Pretty minor, scraggly, ineffectual little guys, but there are some roots coming through there.
I had one for that, and it looks like John and Eric. I was literally like this big.
So even that far down, it could be pulled out, or
What's that?
like a tree root that far down? Or can you?
Yeah, they can cut it out. They can open it up and replace that section of pipe. They can put some chemical down it and burn it out.
Is that a leak?
Feet away. Is it a leak?
And there's our city sewer connection at 103 feet away from the house. A pretty long pipe. Back it up a little bit. Back it up a little bit. Now forward a little bit. 1 inch. 1 more inch. Alright. Well, again, not going to get the view that we'd like. So city sewer connection at 103 feet away from the house. Because of the offset at the beginning of the pipe, because of the dent in the pipe, and because of the minor root intrusion, the sewer line does fail inspection. Recommend further evaluation and repair as needed by a licensed and qualified drain professional. Now there are several small issues with this pipe. They're not catastrophic failures. They don't appear to even be causing any problems at right now. But the reason for the fail would be the potential for some issues in the future. So it's one of those things. Either deal with it now or deal with it in the future. But at some point, the repairs in this pipe will need to take place and will cost somebody some money. So sewer line fails inspection. Recommend further evaluation and repair as needed by a licensed and qualified drain professional.